True Jamaican Vibes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. So if you're just stopping by, you can kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and press the all icon. As soon as I upload a video, you'll be notified. So right now I am in Manchester at the shopping center, Caledonia Road. So take a tour with me. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right across from Manchester Shopping Center, you can see Pizza Hut, KFC. So when you come to Mandeville, you know exactly where to go. So in Mandeville, Manchester, they have 2 KFC in Mandeville, Manchester. They have one uptown and one at Caledonia Road. So take a tour with me. Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I am in Mandeville, Manchester. So welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If you're just stopping by, just hit the like button, also the bell icon and press all. So as you can see, Manchester Shopping Center. So take a tour of cool Mandeville. Very nice place. So you just can take a view of the shopping center. Gonna make a left turn. So this is what Mandeville look like on a busy Saturday. So in Mandeville, you can, if you want a new or used car, you all can come to Mandeville, Manchester. A lot of car marts is in Mandeville, Manchester. Drive-through, Island Grill drive-through. So we are Midway Mall in Mandeville. So this is the Island Grill in Midway Mall, Mandeville, Manchester. Also have a Super Plus food store, also a shipping company, a lot of places on this plaza right here. Anyone want to come to Mandeville to live, this is what Mandeville look like. So I'm gonna make a right turn. Yeah man, so now for watch them people who are not driving on, have to look out on the eyes with paper. Yeah man, be careful up on the road and use up on the mirror, use up on the indicator. Yeah man. So I'm going straight down. That's where we're going, to the Mandeville Hospital direction. So in a little bit of traffic right now, so guys, just keep on watching. You're gonna see some different areas in the Mandeville area. On your right, you have the Seventh-day Adventist Church in Mandeville. So anyone don't know the full tour of Mandeville, this is what Mandeville look like. On your right you have the Superior Auto Parts. On your left you have the Mandeville Regional Hospital. So when you're driving you have to care for the people them, you know. Give them some blind, make them cross the road and safe and sound, you know. Can't just live for yourself alone, look out for all the pedestrian who's crossing the road. Care for the kids them, care for everyone on the road. So on your right, that's where you take a right turn if you want to go to Gulf View Hotel and Conference Center. And also remember, in Mandeville, Manchester, they also have a golf club. People from all over different Caribbean come to that golf club. I remember back in the days, you used to have a movie theater in Mandeville. A lot of persons from different areas used to come watch a movie in Mandeville, but there is no more movie theater in Mandeville, Manchester. So back in the days, you used to go watch a movie on the big screen, but there is no more movie theater. So not a nice look for our Mandeville people and also our Jamaican people also. man, so big up all of the hustler them and the farmer them. Yeah man, boss come out to planting lettuce. Within lettuce them when plant. Yeah man, my hustle for him family. Big up all the hustler them. So on your right, that's where you'll have the Caledonia Mall. Caledonia Mall. Across from Caledonia Mall, that's where you have the Mandeville Primary. So look at this gentleman, he's so just selling his lime. I'm so proud of him. So I'm heading towards the Wards Avenue turnoff. A lot of persons forget Wards Avenue. As you can see, traffic bumper to bumper. And always obey the stop light, the traffic light. And always remember to wear your seat belt. So if you make a right turn, that will take you all to Wards Avenue. Straight ahead could take you right to Perth Road. So I'm gonna make a left turn and take on back up into the town. So that's Heaven's gas station, the gas station that was on fire. Yeah, big up yourself, Damien, you big up yourself. Heading towards the Mandeville Courthouse. Gonna make a left turn, you know, so the power one way. Yeah man, so most in the town, some place are one way, so we have to be careful. Yes, so this is the Mandeville Courthouse. It was destroyed by fire, but as you see, do some repair on it and stuff, you know. So on your left, this is where you have the Mandeville police station. Yeah man, so thank you all for taking the tour with Fire Reid, your True Jamaican tour guide. Yeah man, it's a busy day today in cool Mandeville, Manchester. Yeah man, you have to let mommy go across the road safe and sound. Careful with people them, you know. Some persons just drive on the road and don't have no care and no caution. You have to look out for the kids them also. Yeah, so I will always be giving you an update of any places in Jamaica. Cool Mandeville right now. Having some nice weather today. Yeah, so no matter how the sun hot at Mandeville, it's much cooler than other parishes. So on your right, that's where you have the market, the Mandeville market. So thank you for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.